Nowadays, we often see that some such things are coming out between the relationships, which are weakening the relationship day by day. Nowadays, we see that some other things are coming out in a family at the dinner table. It can be a laptop or a mobile phone. Success and bank balance is coming between love and affection. It is necessary to have status to get respect. That's why people are running after money, running after success, and running after status. Yes, they are running after the materialistic world to make their relationship beautiful, whereas a relationship is a sign of beauty. People are engaged in material possession rather than spiritual or intellectual things. So they are running so much that if they are ever asked to walk half a kilometer, both mentally and physically they are paralyzed to do so and have to resort to two wheelers or four wheelers. By running so much, they have filled the whole house, yet going on as if a little less can spoil the whole joy of their relationship. So run and run, or else there is no fun in the relationship. In a family, father is the most responsible driver. Mother is the highest ranked employee in the world. A son is the strongest pillar of the house, his father builds, and a daughter is the world's best giver to another family member manufactures. Each family has got some responsibilities to maintain this heavenly domestic beauty, but the influence of the materialistic world has forced them to forget that they are so close yet they are moving far away from each other. It has become a past for all the family members to get together and have a meal together. So the stuffy house often appears empty, and this emptiness is filled by those materialistic materials. The material of the thales covered the house in such a way that there was no space for humans inside the house. The house becomes placeless to humanity and is occupied by all this material consumerists. Instead, these humans are found in any office or business house, parlor or disco, bar or nightclub, for which they are again getting acquainted with some new things like physical desire and addiction, etc. Thus, they get self satisfaction and make it a habit and like to call it success or style. But always remember 3M materialistic moments are momentary. Because it is momentary, it can never satisfy anyone completely. Like to get it again and again, so feel it again after a trial. Get it once again. In this way, by being busy in all these, one gets away without the knowledge of his loved ones. Thus, the relationship dies and life is ignored. Remember, even the birds return in the evening. Even if the dog's eyes are tied and taken far away from the house, it still comes back with the smell. Because nothing is above the law of nature. So give time to these your relatives who are full of heavenly domestic relationship. Go to a restaurant or meal with all the other family members at least once a week and choose menus for each other that help you understand each other. If there is a dispute inside the house, do not try to settle it immediately, but wait till the situation calms down. Once it calms down, start telling in a polite way and listen too. Always remember not to build a wall, but a bridge. If one of you makes a mistake, instead of avoiding it, explain it to him and forgive him if necessary. Because forgiveness doesn't change the past, but it can lead to a beautiful future. Because they are theirs, there are conflicts. If not, then this belonging becomes a pretentious thing. Always remember that peace is not the absence of conflict, but the handling of conflict through peaceful means. The most beautiful thing is to see the person you love smiling, and even more beautiful to know that you are the reason behind it.